Good morning everyone and welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. Yes, and as you can see we are in a metro station and it is one of the more special metro stations here in Stockholm. Kungsträdgården, yes. This is part of the Blue Line and it is basically like one long art gallery. That's what the Blue Line in Stockholm is for here. Known for, sorry, not for. What it's for, we all know. It's getting from point A to point B. And yeah, let's check out the station. So here we've got the actual tunnelbana, just getting ready to leave. And it's the older type. And the cool, nice SL blue color. And yeah, it's full with these rocks and artworks and looks really nice. So here it's green. So yeah, it's the last stop here on the Blue Line, or the first stop, depending how you look at it. And it's also full with these small, like, I don't know what it is, creatures. Quite funny. Yeah, let's check out the station. This train is leaving, I guess. So here we've got a little waterfall. This is quite interesting as well. It's almost like you're in a prison. Pretty cool. And here we've got this, yeah, it's kind of like a fountain. There's like some water running. See, you've got these little faces everywhere. So yeah, as I said before, the Blue Line is known for being like an art gallery. They sometimes say it's like the longest art gallery in the world or something, or because it's like kilometers long. The artist has created an underground king's garden with traces of the long history of the park above. The art features around 50 casts of sculptures from populous and the 7th century palace. Ah, okay, cool. I did not know that. See, they're everywhere. You got one over there. So there's apparently more than 50 of these sculptures. So yeah, that will be a fun thing to do. Just go into the Blue Line, check out all the stations and the artwork. It probably can entertain you for a few hours. It will be nice. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is a funny one. It's really nice and quiet here. Almost no one. It's also because it's the last stop of the line. And this is very much of a tourist thing. And it's the end of the season. And as you can see, it's 8:45 in the morning. So yeah. Actually, today I'm going to meet one of my subscribers and members of the channel, Chris. You've probably seen him in the chat as well. So this should be fun. So I'm looking forward to that. But I was in the neighborhood anyway, so I was like, yeah, let's do a little walk. I wonder what this is actually. It doesn't really say. So the noise you hear, I don't know if you can actually hear it. So you hear the clicking noise? I'm not sure if that is for blind people to know where you're going. Not really sure actually. Let's check this out. Some more artwork. Oh, it says Arsenalgatan, so it's basically like a street painted here on the ceiling. I like how they covered up his private part. He was like, I'm here naked, but I still want to be covered up a little bit. Quite funny. Oh no, there's a lot of people coming suddenly here. Let's wait until they go. Quite cool. Everyone in a rush to work. Let's just wait until these people are gone here. Alright, let's check this out. Feels a bit like I arrived at some kind of Roman theater or something. Pretty cool if you ask me. Inside a metro station, all of this. Massive lamppost. Oh, a chair. I never really studied what's actually on here. A swan. Interesting. Valvet was painted by Ulrik Samuelsson and Anders Fredriksson in 1985. Cool. This is nice too, completely different style. It's funny, I've been here many times, but I never really paid that much attention to it. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest art lover in the world. You know, that's just how it is. But it's still good sometimes to just to stand still for a second, actually look at things and see what they actually mean and things like that. So you get a better understanding of things. It's like a piano or something. See, it's like the piano. Yeah, what are they called? Like, I don't know. What are those white and black things called on the piano? Piano pieces or whatever. I don't know. Oh, I feel so stupid right now. You know what I mean. We're probably gonna end up at the entrance right now. Yep. Here starts to look a bit more modern. Back to more of a regular. So here you can see exactly where we are. See, so this is the end of line 10 and 11 here. Kungsträdgården. Which is basically means like King's Garden. So yeah, just one station away from Central, and then you can take two lines, one to Hjulsta and one to Alcala. Which reminds me, yeah, like this line, I haven't done much yet. I'm not sure. I've been to Disney, Duvbo, Sundbyberg I've also been, but I haven't been much here yet. So yeah, I have to take the metro to Hjulsta, Rinkeby, Tensta soon. I know I've been saying this for a year, I don't know why I haven't done it yet, but... Alright, look at this. It's pretty cool. A massive door, and then it makes me wonder, is there anything behind? That's the question, right? I mean, this is the advantage of having a super small camera. Let me try to... Not sure, don't really see much, but I don't think there's anything behind this. Pretty cool. Anyway, all right, let's go out. We might as well have a quick look at the actual Kungsträdgården now we're at it. Been a while actually since the cherry blossom. I've been to Kungsträdgården. So. Oh. Check it. Look at it from across the street here. It's quite busy Sunday now. Felt like I was all by myself in there, but okay. It's nice sometimes just to observe and look at the people, see where they're going. Just life passing by. A garbage truck over there. Ooh, bicycles everywhere. Okay, let's actually not walk on Kungsträdgården, but let's go here on this street. So Kungsträdgården is over here, yeah, but I did like 3 different videos on there, so this is Kungsträdgårdsgatan, which is the main street here along the park. And they keep going here with the detail. I mean, look at this little fella over here. Really cool. So a bit of a shorter video today, but nice. It's nice sometimes not to actually cover a lot of ground, but just look at the details. Warendorfsgatan. I could have taken both entrances at the metro station, but no, you don't then have to go back through and look at all the same things again for like 5 minutes, so that's why I decided to go out in one end. Catholic church here. So I hope the Chedding is doing great today. Do not forget to leave a thumbs up for the video, it helps me a lot. Let's actually cross the street here. Alright. Let's look for a word of the day, people. What's a nice word of the day? Fountain, fontaine. Yeah, it's a bit easy one, isn't it? But sometimes you need an easy word of the day as well. Oh, actually this place, if you like playing chess, they're not here right now, but here they have a massive chessboard usually, and there's a lot of like elderly men that play chess here under the trees usually. I'm not sure where it is, but you can look for this one. See, here they play chess as well on small boards. And chess in Swedish is gek. Gek, I think. Did I say that right? Okay, Swedish people, correct me if I'm wrong, because it's quite a difficult word to say. But anyway, this is the place to play chess. So if you're into chess, let me know. And this is of course the cherry blossom trees. They don't actually give cherries, I think, these ones, but yeah, in the spring this is one of the most, if not the most photographed place of the whole of Stockholm, because everyone's going here taking pictures for their Instagram with the cherry blossoms. But yeah, that's in April, so yeah. So I'm gonna make my way over back to Sergels Central Station, where I will take the metro and yeah, meet Chris in about an hour. So it's all good. Life is good, people. Oh, and the sun is coming through just on time. Do you think you can get a rainbow here, like in the fountain like this? Because if it's sunny and it's drops of water, maybe. Should be. So yeah, this is not a full tour on Kungsträdgården. I've done 3 other videos here, so let's not go there today. This was more with the focus on the metro station. I hope you enjoyed that. Which brings me to the end of this video. It's a little bit shorter today. I hope you enjoyed it. And as I said, I'm back to uploading more. So tomorrow another video, another walk, you know it. Every vardag, some we say in Swedish. Every day of the week. Maybe not on the weekend always, but anyways, thank you for watching, folks. Thumbs up, and I'll see you all tomorrow on a new adventure. Bye bye.